yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Give me here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Likkle Vybz. Likkle Vybz greatness. Likkle Vybz, they don't know, I can't tell the son that. Likkle Vybz greatness. We're gonna jump in the one on here with the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. First time reacting to a song from him. So let's jump in the one on here with the 𝐷𝐿. Let's go, man.
Walking target, that's how me feel. Frustrated, me, I gotta be real.
Alright, walking target, that's how him feel. So, is he talking about the situations with the police officers, them, or is a turn up him yard or stop him car or thing like that? Is he talking about that? I believe so. I believe he is talking about that. Walking target, that's how me feel. So, he must say, yo, him feel like him a target. So, right here, so we see where him head there. Car bonnet and somebody with gloves on, look like a police officer, push him head down the sun and say, yo, stay this boy. We also see the blue reflective light, so I would assume that's a police car.
Walking target, that's how me feel. Frustrated, me, I gotta be real. Man, just I do the right from me touch, you see. Never yet thief, so me sure, say me money clean. Bad mind.
Never yet thief, brother. So me know some money clean, brother. Never yet thief. So when him say thief and then mention money, him talking about like the chopping. Never chop, cause you know say chopping a thief, you thief people money. They must say, oh, me never thief. You see me? So him know say money clean. So him know why them after him for, you see it?
Sure, say me money clean. Bad mind not dirty like rubbish sheep. Greatness scared them your face, so you don't do it. Young and talented, so me do it. My time now, me not care if you no believe.
My time now, me not care if you not believe, bro. My time now, regardless, cause right now, man, young and talented. So you have to just hush up and just watch me go through the gate. You see me? Cause you can't tap it, you see it?
Greatness, me a pre-greatness. Walking target since lately. Expected when they start elevating. Greatness, me a pre-greatness. Over.
So you see a Green Reaper rock walk behind him a while ago and him turn on. Quick feel look a walk on.
My life, I can't take it. God bless you, so me can't stop praising him. Top of the game, that are the aim. Now live it feel better under my name, police.
Top of the game. It must say, yo, be a secret writer, say, yo, no can't stop me no matter what I try. Me not live for feel, so I'm not gonna live for see that. You see me? Anything or anything, bro, cause I'm ready.
Top of the game, that are the aim. Now live it feel better under my name, police. Harassment just a bother me brain. 3 times 1 year, them a follow me trail.
3 times 1 year, I'm saying getting a police incident. Before this year, I think everything was relatively quiet with the Palmer family in such like him son them and thing and Shorty and things. So we say police got the yard couple times well and going to the yard and video make and Shorty go live and one bag of thing. We not go do research if you don't know what I talk about yet. So he must say 3 times in 1 year that shit that happened, brother. I what not follow me trail for what? Police say me I protect you. Man say go protect your soul, mama. Alright, let's go.
Harassment just a bother me brain. 3 times 1 year, them a follow me trail. Me a chillin' on me house, them a stand on me gate. So me have gun and drugs when me lock on me place. What kind of profile this a follow me face? Me call set and Jason, follow the case.
Me like how him put him problem in the music and create a great song from it so far. So I like how I utilize him talent. So he must show you him truly talented writer. So him not live off him father name, he must tell you him truly talented writer. So
file this a follow me face. Me call set and Jason, follow the case. Them not like when youths arise. Every youths have wings and we choose to fly. Them want to say we locked up, but we not feel we ashamed them cause man future bright. Utilize my strength and
them want to see me lock up like my father. Them want lock me down. But here man ashamed them, bro. Them not gonna live to see that. Them not gonna live to see that, bro. So anything wanna try again. Cause that wanna try with you nah work, bro.
Cause man future bright. Utilize my strength and use my voice. I shall be great. Me not choose for fight. Me not choose the gun. Me prefer choose the mic. Have too much me lose and me youth for mine.
I tell you, yo, listen, me not choose no gun, brother. Me not choose no gun. Me rather choose the. I'm going to the studio, go vice, because here I have people that depend on me. I have my youth for mine. You see me, I have responsibility. So me not go choose the gun. Me not go choose to go commit no crime. Me I do my thing nice and clean. So if you don't like it, step away and fuck off.
Me not choose the gun, me prefer choose the mic. Have too much me lose and me youth for mine. Greatness, me a pre-greatness. Walking targets sincerely. Expected when they start elevating. Greatness, me a pre-greatness. Over my life, I can't take it. God bless you, so me can't stop praise.
So him then in bathroom again, just watch him face and him looking at the mirror, him see grin back at him goes up and turn around, nothing not there. So him a tell us say, yo, people, like, him a tell us say, darkness a follow him, bro. Darkness a follow him, G.
Stop praying me for vanity.
And
when God bless you, greatness.
If you look here, so, you see the same shadow behind him. You see me? Like the darkness back at him, see him.
Me a pre-greatness. Over my life, I can't take it. God bless you, so me can't stop praise him. Stop praying me for vanity. When we dead, we cannot carry it. Delusion need return to reality.
Stop praying me for vanity, bro. Not because you see me drive my Benz. Not because you see me living in a nice house. Yeah, pray me for vanity. Like, that don't make no sense, bro. When me dead, me can't carry it. You see me? 6'6", me I got the same way, just like you. In our board box. So, stop praying me for vanity, bro. Don't make vanity get the better of your dog.
When we dead, we cannot carry it. Delusion need return to reality. Put man in a handcuff like God it is. Very clear, me no criminal, what is it? Music me do fi take care of me family. Me son just start school and me have to say him done every 16 years, not gonna quit.
Son just start school, so like him said before, him have people that depend on him have family for feed.
Very clear, me no criminal, what is it? Music me do fi take care of me family. Me son just start school and me have to say him done every 16 years, not gonna quit. And me mother have to proud of everyone away. Buy all the house, can me promise man it.
Mother have to proud, Shorty have to proud that everyone has kids them. Shorty have to proud because here a man promise her the house and man have to fulfill that promise. Remember say I'm a Shorty for a son, you know, so Afi, proud of that. You see me? Afi honor that. You see me? Cause I'm mommy that.
I mean daddy have to free and they gonna see dance royal to the whole family.
And so him father Afi free. When I go live, you see that when I go see. So him father Afi free, dancer loyalty. The whole family, not just him father. The whole family are dancer royalty.
I see dance royal to the whole family. The house can me promise man it. I mean daddy have to free and they gonna see dance royal to the whole family. Mommy have to proud of everyone away. Buy all the house can me promise man it. I mean daddy have to free and they gonna see dance royal to the whole family. Greatness, me a pre-greatness. Walking targets sincerely.
Every time I walk him, I look behind him because him know say, yo, somebody's out there after him.
Expected when they start elevating. Greatness, me a pre-greatness. Over my...
I forgot to talk about that scene. As you can see him in him house, him there the window, and look out through the window, and you see the red and blue light a flash out. So earlier on him did say police outside him yard. When time him inside. So this is the scene for the police outside the yard.
Life I can't take it. God bless you, so me can't stop praising.
Man, if I can't tell you, fuck. I really can't tell this man. If I can't tell you, yo, big up. Likkle Vybz, you know, big up Likkle Vybz. Song bad, it's a masterpiece to be honest. And you see him going in the studio, go utter in problems where I got through than we come on social media come rant about it. It's very creative. I like that. Big up the whole Palmer family. Adi, big up yourself. You don't know, say you're the daddy. Bad. What can I say? Bad. Greatness, the man a pre greatness. So, officer and whoever send the officer them off for him, man I say, yo, no allow that brother correct. No man thing clean dog. So whatever not try find him now go find. All the G have to do, I just go and keep him place clean. Make sure it's not dead there, make sure him not travel with nothing. Not saying that he was, or not saying that he may be. I'm just saying make sure that him clean at all times. I don't know, like put steps in place to protect your sanity, to protect you, protect your freedom, protect your life. You see me call life, we say life, you know. So big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Bad chat. This is how I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoyed the one I want to leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, man, and I will see you in the next one for real. Peace.